Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect all your social accounts to Whop. To get started, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the main dashboard where you can access your account tools and settings. Make sure you're already signed in before continuing, so you can move through the setup without interruption. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account. This will open your account menu where you'll find options related to your personal profile and platform settings. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to scan the upper right area carefully, since that's where account controls are typically located. After opening your profile menu, click on the settings icon. This will take you into the section where you can manage different parts of your Whop account. Settings is the central place for updating preferences, account details, and any connected services. So this is where you'll want to be for linking your social platforms. From the settings area, find and click on Connected Accounts. This section is specifically designed for linking external accounts to your Whop profile. Once you open it, you should see the available social media platforms that can be connected. This area helps keep all of your integrations organized in one place, which makes it easier to manage them later if you ever need to update or disconnect something. Next, select the social media account you want to connect. Choose the platform you'd like to link and make sure it's the correct one before moving forward. If you plan to connect multiple accounts, you can usually repeat the same process for each platform one at a time. Taking it step by step helps avoid confusion and ensures each connection is completed properly. After selecting your social media account, follow the on-screen procedure. The exact prompts may vary depending on the platform you choose, but in most cases you'll be asked to sign in, authorize access, or confirm permissions. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what is being connected and what access is being granted. If a pop-up window appears, allow it to open and complete the connection there. Once you finish the on-screen process, your selected social account should be linked to Whop. If needed, return to the Connected Accounts section and repeat the same steps for any additional platforms you want to add. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting your social accounts to Whop.